Matapuna Training Centre has been going for over 15 years now. We started off with one computer in a room and a couple of trainees, and over the years we've grown and grown and grown until now we've got over 40 youth trainees here. We offer them a range of topics which they're really interested in, like video making. Then they can go into computer graphics. They can make music and digitise music, record it into CD, and a lot of these talents and skills are brought together in their multimedia presentations which they put together. The Matapuna Training Centre fulfills a real need for this type of unique training in the Gisborne community. It's taken us years to build up the equipment and the facilities needed for this sort of training.
I love Matapuna Training Centre because there's heaps of room for growth, and we're allowed to explore new avenues and make new and exciting changes for our rangatahi, because they're always changing.
Well, information and communication and the technology based on it is a strength of Matapuna, and it's our niche area, one which we excel in very, very well, and that with multimedia and computing, film and television all becoming one, it's a focus area of Matapuna's.
Yeah, when I first started going I didn't know anything about computers, like I didn't even know how to basically turn the stupid thing on. But yeah, I've learned how to build a web page in less than 3 months, so I mean that's pretty awesome for my standards.
Because of the technology we offer here at Matapuna Training Centre, we're attracting a lot of the youth. It's my job to make sure they feel relaxed and comfortable, answer any of their questions. If I'm not able to help them out, I'll normally put them onto someone who is. Basically that's my role, is to ensure they leave with a good impression of Matapuna.
Technology plays a major part in the development of young people. It helps to build their self-esteem and confidence, especially in the video production side. It allows them to see, hear and critique themselves. So what we're doing with them is allowing them to build platforms, and so that they can make decisions in their lives as to where they're going to go and what they're going to do.
Digital editing at Matapuna is real cool, and it's real awesome. It's amazing what you can do and see yourself on TV. It's awesome.
We use industry standard software. We use brand new computers. Every year we replace our suite of computers, so it's always leading edge technology.
I want to just sing you a song for Barry White. I want.
In terms of technology with music, where the industry is going, we kind of need to keep up to date and keep up to speed with them in terms of the digital audio engineering side of things and stuff. Also with keyboard software is awesome too, with new Trinities and Korgs coming out. So there's all the resources that we need to keep up with today's technology.
We're also very fortunate the tutors that we have are highly experienced and they're great tutors. Several of our tutors are actually working in industry outside Matapuna, and they bring their skills into Matapuna, and they're able to provide our youth with the latest technology and advice, which is great for our youth.
It's been great to work in the field with experienced people, and it's wonderful to be able to bring back those experiences and share all that knowledge with the rangatahi of Matapuna.
The tutors here at Matapuna are really good because they help us out a lot and they know heaps about technology, so I give a big thumbs up.
Thumbs up for Matapuna.
Technology's cool. Matapuna's the shit!
I've been thinking about this relationship, and I wanna know, is this as good as it gets? Cause we've been through the worst times and the best times, but it was our time, even if it was part-time. Now they been looking at me, smiling at me, laughing like we wasn't happy, but not knowing that we're growing.